Model 2007 Volkswagen Transporter T30 long wheelbase, diesel 1.9 TDI PD 102PS van body, white, panel van mileage, 193778 engine, 1896 cc BRS 102 bhp 4B transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Engine is 100% fine, gearbox is intermittently whining in gears, clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap retail, £6,195. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119